Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi Sngewbha penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kementerian Jangka Sorkar Jela ke kami ikatran ke koi kakia ke Dr. Ampurin Lingdo. Haga kat pratrik ulubir arajar pausan. Pdiang Sngewbha ke Rajong ke Oil India Limited. Banyarap ya ke Sorkar. Shna ya ke Oncology ke Tura Civil Hospital. Haba keranci kelap thai kubor ke Dr. Ampurin Lingdo ke layat ho bagi Oil India Limited kan ajing kershan pisa Lingba ke Corporation Social Responsibility Shna ke Oncology Care Tura Civil Hospital perhaga juga por kalau angru balingba ke diga jingarap kan pinduna do kata-kata ke jing jingsep jangka Sorkar.
Grateful that a private entity of this caliber has noticed the need for infrastructure building and has offered a CSR to assist government of Meghalaya to set up the oncology care at Civil Hospital Tura. Few people have a very big hand in this, and we are grateful to the Honorable MP Rajya Sabha, grateful to the Honorable Chief Minister. We need treatment and installation, procurement of technological infrastructure to enable our people to ease out their out-of-pocket expenditure. This government remains focused. How can we help the public reduce costs of treatment? That is top priority for us. And in this generous engagement of the Oil India in enabling us to institutionalize the correct infrastructural requirements for oncology treatment and other such critical treatments will go a long way for the people of the state of Meghalaya. We have seen how Civil Hospital in its cancer hospital has been able to reach out and address and fight the onslaught of cancer in the state of Meghalaya. We have seen all the numbers. We know the challenge. We invest or seek investment for treating such a challenge. And we are thankful as a Department of Health, thankful as a government of Meghalaya that this has happened. And we hope that in years to come, we will have more CSR assistance of this kind. Our healthcare is stepping up to the needs and requirements of the people of the state. Why? Because we do not hesitate. Wherever we see there's a possibility of bringing in funds and negotiating for investments, we do it in the interest of the state and the people of the state of Meghalaya.